Hello, my name is Brandon Miller, and I have a dream too. I have a dream that one day this district will continue to keep striving to be the best educational system in serving all students. I have a dream that one day all staff will continue to look at students' assets versus deficits, to have the will and the drive to connect with each learner and bring something out in each student that they did not know existed within themselves. I have a dream that one day our students will reach high levels of reading, math, and technology skills that will transfer into real world experiences. That students feel confident in applying their skills in and out of the classroom, knowing that this is and can be a gateway to the hopes and dreams they did not know was possible. I have a dream today. I have a dream that one day our students will continue to strive to be the best versions of themselves. That our school system, our teachers, staff, and administration will continue to come together to never stop working to make this possible for each and every student in our district, to go further than what is expected. This is my hope and faith. With this faith, our district will be able to come together, to work together, to collaborate together, to be the best for each and every student, to not only teach content, but to be good people in our schools, our district, and our community. This will be the day when teachers and students are engaged, excited, and intrinsically motivated to be part of something bigger. This is my dream. Thank you.